Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2019 Kia Soul. Under the hood we have a 1.6-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in gray, looks fantastic. You got that Kia badging up front there with your lights right there. They are very bright. And coming around the side here we do have our tires, and they are a little bit frozen over right now, but they do have these 16-inch rims on them and lots of tread on them as well. You do have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got that Soul badging with the Kia, and you do also have your backup camera right there. And lifting it up, lots of room back here, looks fantastic. You can fold these guys up and you got a little bit of additional storage under there. As well, you can fold those seats forward to give you extra room. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got that one to open up the back, and we do have our panic down there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Got your handle here and some storage down here. Looks fantastic in here as well. Very comfortable seats. You have the controls over the seats here. And then over here, we got the in-cabin light control, as well as our traction control. And then we do have our controls over our lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our turning signals and high beams here as well. Let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Alright, in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. And right in the center there, it does tell us our range, the gear we're in, the temperature outside, and how many kilometers we have. But we can switch that around to our average liters per 100 kilometers. We have our average kilometers. We have our ET, our trip A and B. Then we also have our range, and back to the average there. Now that is controlled from right here with your drive mode. And then over here you do have your volume up and down and your selector with your Bluetooth options. And then over here we do have our controls over our our windshield wipers. And then right in the center we do have our touchscreen display. So you got all those guys. You have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up. You got your phone options right there, as well as your display. You can turn it on and off, your clock, and your setup. And then you do have your volume up and down with the power, your seek, track, and then your tuner and browser there. And when we are in reverse, we have that useful backup camera keeping us nice and safe. Then down here, we do have the power up and down with the circulation, our mode, our rear defrost, as well as our temperature control. And then down here, we do have our auxiliary cord and our USB plug-in. Gear shift right here. You have your parking brake, your cup holders, and your armrest doubles as a storage container. And then right over here, we do also have our glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. And up top, you have your control of your lights and a sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you got the control of your windows, a handle here. You got your handle and some storage down there. Looks fantastic in here as well. Very spacious. And the seats are the same material as the front, so very comfortable. You can fold this down and you do get that extra storage as I talked about before. And there's our 1.6-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2019 Kia Soul. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.